the graduate program that we have for them, we call it primarily math, is something that if a teacher is well motivated, they're on the job, they understand that there are real challenges in teaching math to children, and if we can have an opportunity for a sustained program, our program will last 2 summers and the academic year in between. It'll be 18 hours, including 3 more math courses. And the teachers who go through this, again, it's somewhat of an immersion program. They come out highly motivated to do the job well and much, much better prepared. And we're seeing a significant change in their knowledge as measured by the Knowledge of Math for Teaching assessment that comes out of the University of Michigan. This particular program for elementary school teachers is not a master's program. It's a certificate program. It's about half a master's. It's 18 hours. We do encourage them, and about 20% of them are going on to a master's degree. And we do call it a program to create K-3 math specialists. They are leaders in some sense, because we're going to get the range of people from people who have both the inclination and the ability to be leaders of peers, and those who don't want to be in the situation where you're supposed to provide leadership to adult peers, and instead they just want to work with small children, but they want to be very good at it. So some of our teachers are coming out of the program, and districts are making them a math coach and taking them out of the classroom and letting them work with peers so that what they learn offers a lot of benefit to their peers. Others are becoming what we call math-intensive instructors. They rearrange how second grade or third grade students' school day works so that the one individual can teach 2 math courses or perhaps 3 groups of students for math, so that they can, in some sense, use the strengths of the school to benefit the maximum number of students. Now, of course, many of them remain as generalists, just like always, but we're now experimenting with how to have an ongoing sort of study group or professional learning community so that there can be continued change over time after a teacher comes out of this program. Now, so far we've worked with 125 teachers. Right now we're taking applications for what we thought were 30 spots, and we have about 200 applications. So there's a lot of evidence that a lot of teachers want this opportunity. At the same time, when we understand education is an issue of scale, even if we work with 250 elementary school teachers across Nebraska, mostly here in eastern part of Nebraska, there can be an awful lot of elementary school teachers we didn't get to. And that's one of the challenges I face, is how to find the resource base that enables us to work with more teachers. Now, we do have other programs where a teacher has the opportunity to take 1 course or 2 courses, but and then hopefully attract them to want to take more. But all of this is based on the idea that we've got to give significant professional development that is perhaps the opposite of the 1 day or the 2 day sort of make it and take it activity, where some teachers may want something really good to do with their students that doesn't have to pass through their own thinking.